migrant or if they are interstate laborer.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh yesterday announced that the state government will definitely provide the required assistance and recognition to the National Award winner and filmmaker Dominic. He further added that his name could also be considered for the Meghalaya Day Award, which has a category reserved for arts and culture. Dominic's movie Rapture had won national accolade and was screened in over 100 theatres in France and was struggling to screen in his home state due to lack of financial support from the government.
The department, in tandem with the State Finance Department, will certainly take a call, and we will incentivize him. We will incentivize him one way or the other. As you are also aware that we also have the Meghalaya Day Award, where there is a particular category reserved for the arts and culture. So that again is another distinct possibility where he could be considered for that particular award.